Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. I have been so excited to share this recipe with you. I love very quick dinners. So if I can throw everything in either one pot or one sheet pan, throw it in, leave it to be, let it cook, and it's ready in less than half an hour, I'm a very happy person. So I decided to try this recipe that I recently found on NYT Cooking, and this is a broccoli sausage gnocchi sheet pan recipe. You literally throw everything in a sheet pan, you add olive oil, you add garlic, and then once it's cooked, you add a little lemon juice and a little parmigiano. And that is it. So I'm going to show you the original recipe. So thanks to NYT Cooking for this recipe. It's glorious. And then down the line, I'm going to make different variations on this recipe. I already have some ideas on what I can do. But I just wanted to show you how easy it can be, how easy the technique is. If you do decide to swap out the veggies with something else, you're going to use a different sausage, let me know. Gnocchi. The gnocchi, we're using the shelf-stable gnocchi in those packages, or you can also use a frozen gnocchi as well. The shelf-stable ones is such a genius product, and I always forget about it for some reason. But if you are at the grocery store, grab one, because it is such an easy quick dinner that everyone in the family will love, and you can customize it. So you can choose a vegetable that everybody in the family loves. You want to keep in mind that it's going to take about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. So you want to ensure that it's a type of vegetable that is not going to become mush by the end of that. You can actually use multiple types of veggies as well, not just one. So I did broccoli today, but I could have done broccoli and cauliflower because they're going to cook at about the same time. But I had the broccoli, so I did decide to just use the broccoli. This recipe feeds about 4. It doesn't, when you see that pack of gnocchi, it looks like this is not going to feed 4 people, but it does feed 4 people, especially when you're adding the protein like the Italian sausage and you're adding a hearty vegetable like broccoli. So trust me when I say that this is a recipe you have to try. This is a recipe that's going to save you so much time, and it is a recipe that I think everyone in your family is going to love. So let's take some time and learn how to make this incredible broccoli sausage gnocchi sheet pan recipe. You want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. The first thing we're going to need is a 1 package of 12 to 18 ounces of shelf-stable gnocchi. We are using 1 pound of sweet or hot Italian sausage removed from the casing, and then you're going to pinch it into maybe about 1-inch pieces. Next is your broccoli. This is about 1.5 pounds. You can use about 1 pound, cut into 1.5 to 2-inch pieces. You want 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. This is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. This is half a lemon that has been juiced. And 1/3 cup of grated parmigiano. The original recipe called for a 1/4 cup of parmigiano, but I felt that it needed a little more. We are now going to add our broccoli to our baking sheet, our sausage, and we're just gonna spread it out. This is our garlic and our gnocchi. We are now going to drizzle the 1/4 cup of olive oil Now we're gonna add salt. Add as much or as little as you like. I'm just gonna add 2 big pinches of kosher salt. I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. You could add a little more or a little less, up to you. We're just going to make sure to mix everything until everything is well coated. And now it's time to bake. 425, about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Once it's out of the oven, we're going to add our lemon juice. This will really brighten up the dish. A 1/3 cup of parmigiano. Before serving, I also like to drizzle a little olive oil. You could add more cheese before serving, completely up to you. I'm just gonna grab my tongs and I'm gonna give everything a good toss and good mix until everything is nicely coated. This dish also is really delicious the next day after you warm it up. Enjoy our crispy gnocchi with sausage and broccoli. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this broccoli sausage gnocchi recipe, let me know in the comments below. If you decide to try different variations on this recipe, I would love to hear what you came up with. So make sure you write that in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.